Good morning, my guys. I'm Falguni ma'am. Actually, I'm leaving Shantiniketan. So, here is a famous temple, Konkalitala. I'm telling about Konkalitala. Konkalitala temple is located on the bank of the river Kopai, Bolpur, Shantiniketan, Birbhum district. It is one of the popular temple and also pilgrimage site. Konkalitala is famous for Hindu religious. Hindu religion worship the goddess Shati here. It is known the waist of the Shati fell into a water body. Konkalitala is 400 years old and it is established 1731 AD. Konkalitala temple started from 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. There are several temples in the town, but it is most of the important and religious and Shakti Peeth. It is known it is 51st Shakti Peeth. There is also another temple, Kanchisa, in Konkalitala complex. Thank you very much, my lovely guys. Okay, don't forget subscribe, share and comment and like. Thank you.